Another one! Because one lion's mane bag is not enough chaos. We need two. Double the bags, double the shaking, double the stickers, double the disappointment. Math. Shaking again. That's my life. Pour, shake, sticker, repeat. I used to have hobbies. This was the hobby. Now it's the life. The bags don't shake themselves. They should. They owe me. Sticker. Shocker. I'm a one-trick pony. Cleaning syringes. Used ones. Had liquid culture in them before. Soaking them in 70% alcohol. Drawing it in, pushing it out. Again. Because I am cheap. New syringes exist. They cost money. Alcohol costs less. So the needle gets a bath. And we pretend it's brand new. It's not. But the mushrooms don't know that. Substrate time. Tomorrow's prep starts today. Tear the scale. Let's go. Pellets are in. Now we add water. Using my professional watering can. It's a Coke bottle. A regular Coke bottle. Coca-Cola should be sponsoring me by now. They're not. But the bottle works. Wheat bran going in. And yes, the Coke bottles are still there. I can't escape them. I use them for everything. Watering, measuring, emotional support. Coca-Cola, please sponsor me. I'm not too proud to beg. I'm exactly proud enough to beg. On the internet. For mushrooms. Mixing the substrate. And I'm putting the Coca-Cola bottle right in the center. No shame. Zero shame. If they won't sponsor me, I'll sponsor myself. With their bottle that I found in my recycling. Squeeze test. A few drops. That's okay. Pouring out of your hand. That's bad. I learned this the hard way. Folding the edge of the bag. Makes it easier to scoop the substrate in. Less mess. In theory, there is always mess. Scooping substrate into the bag. Carefully measured. Or approximately measured. I moved a Coke bottle at the start, did you notice? I notice every time. My apartment is 60% mushrooms, 40% Coca-Cola. Taping the bags so they don't deform under pressure. Because the sealer is... You remember the sealer. Our toxic friend. If the bag comes out shaped like a potato, the sealer is going to make it worse. So I tape it. I shake it. I tape it again. And somewhere in a parallel universe, a normal person is watching TV. Brunhilde has legs. Look at them. Little folding wire legs on the trivet, so the bags don't sit in water. We are sterilizing them, not boiling them. Big difference. One you eat, the other one ruins your week. 2.5 liters of water. Enough for 100 minutes of sterilization. Poured, of course, from a Coca-Cola bottle. Logo facing the camera, on purpose. Coca-Cola, this is your last chance. You'll see why in a minute. Bags go into the pot. What was her name again? Right, Brunhilde. Filters facing up. Always up. Filters facing down means contamination, and contamination means crying. We've cried enough this week. Coca-Cola, don't look! Don't look at the stove! I don't know what that is. I didn't put that there. My neighbor must have left it on my balcony. My evil neighbor, who hates me. That is not a Pepsi bottle. That is a bottle that looks like Pepsi. Brunhilde, cover for me! She's hissing. She approves. Pressure is climbing. 100 minutes. See you on the other side.